when you are in problem, you people are thinking about problem only. If you think about your problems, you will not come out from that problem actually. You need to think to move forward. When you think about move forward, you will stand and think about solution. Okay, nothing going to happen if you think about your problem, whatever did in your past. If you continuously think about your issues, there is no value. Okay, you need to stand and run, move forward. Then only life will allow you to go positive direction. So when you are in critical situation, if you did something wrong, if you are in critical issues, don't think about issues. Try to think about possible solution and move forward. Okay. Most of the cases, if your background verification failed, rejected, even silly reason, people are not ready to face the problem. You need to face the problem, then only you will stand or move out from that problem actually. So always think about solution, don't continuously think about your issues. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are in critical situation, especially in background verification, welcome to call me. I'm ready to give the worst case solution to move out from the problem. Okay, all the very best. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.